Atcorn, sorry, ang haggard ko. I just finished filming a clothing haul. Now, I wanna do another haul. La Olivia on Instagram gave me some clothes and some makeup. So, gusto ko siya ipakita sa inyo. Starting off with what I'm wearing on my lips. Sobrang juicy, sobrang plump ng lips ko right now. This is what I used on my lips. This is from Tarte. This is their Maracuja Juicy Plumping Lip Oil. And kitang-kita nyo naman, nakaka-plump talaga siya ng lips. It also has a cooling effect, which I think is the plumping effect nga. And as a gloss lover, as a gloss girl, super ganda nyo on the lips, and I'm so happy I finally have this. Sobrang nice nila. They also gave me a Huda Beauty loose powder. I would actually see this all over my FYP, and I know this is well loved and sobrang cute because it has a little puff. Super perfect din ng size for traveling, so I can't wait to bring this on my future trips. They also gave me a Westman Atelier blush. I haven't tried this brand, but it sounds bougie and rich and social. Ang ganda ng shade niya. Here is a swatch. Very sweet, very baby girl. Again, the size is perfect for traveling, so dadalhin ko talaga to sa upcoming trips ko. They also gave me 2 color twister blushes from Sephora. Para siyang jelly blush. In the shade 01 or Freaky Fuchsia. Very sheer lang siya actually. This is in the shade 03 or Bizarre Berry. Mga ate ko dito ako super kinilig. They gave me a Dior blush and I don't have any Dior blushes in my collection. So this is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush in the shade Candy. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng packaging niya. This is how the blush looks like. Sobrang ganda. I feel like very bagay din siya sa skin tone ko. Again, wala pa akong Dior blushes, so I'm super kilig. This is in the shade Candy. Thank you po so much for the makeup. And super bait nila kasi hindi lang makeup ang binigay nila, pati na rin mga damit. Anyway, tayo na tayo para makita nyo. First is this dress. Alam nyo, nahihilig ako sa mga dresses, diba? So, these are perfect. This is a baby blue, parang floral dress. And ang ganda niya. I super love maxi dresses lately, so this is perfect. Next is this pink floral dress. Ang ganda! My gosh! Di ko alam pa saan ko to susuotin. Guys, dito ako super nagulat kasi I have a dress similar to this that I bought from Zara. Pero they also sent me one and this isn't even from Zara. So for sure, this is more affordable. Super ganda. You guys know I love the color green on me. These dresses pala guys are from the owner's other shop, which is I Am Gifts Ahoy. And I don't know if you're like me, pero ang tagal ko na nakikita yung I Am Gifts Ahoy na account, as in OG siya na selling account. Ay, kabog. So this is like a corset type of dress. Ma, ang ganda niya! I can't wait to wear it, and it's in the color black, so nakaka-snatch talaga siya ng waist. Pumisan naman ako, hindi kasi ako nag-aircon. But anyway, that is it for my haul. Put the IG handles here para in case may nagustuhan kayo sa haul na to, pwede nyo lang sila i-message.